None. Igwe, I got the little number. He said, I got the little number. He said, there one.
Amandi Aneze, what is wrong with you?
What have I done wrong?
You have ears, you have refused to listen. You have eyes, but you cannot see. How many times have I warned you to separate yourself from Ebuka?
No, but Ebuka is my brother.
Half brother, since you choose to be reminded. Your father is preparing you for something big and important. And you want to spoil his plans for him. Can't you see that Ebuka is coming close to you because he wants to find out our secrets? Do you know any of their secrets?
No. He doesn't tell me anything like that.
They will not tell you. After cheating you, he will use first son and successor to the throne to intimidate you. Are you not the first son to your mother?
Of course. I'm my mother's first son.
Now you are understanding me. I don't want you close to Okachi, that witch, and Ebuka, her son. When next I see you with them again, you pack your things and go and stay with them. I will know I don't have a son anymore.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. He has not gotten to that. From now on, I'll do only things that will make you happy. Name. No, please, don't be angry.
Well, Jay, go inside and eat your food.
I'm very full.
Osim full. So you followed him to his maternal home to go and eat that concoction they make there. Hey, one day they will give you poison. Because Jenny made Jenny and Nibiko. Osim full. Osim full. Hey, mother, Nife. Why my family, Melia?
You needed to see what happened. Did you know after eating the bowl of apple, that Chinenye went inside and bought another bowl of okwa and insisted that we are going to finish it, even when she knew that our stomachs were already exploding. Ha!
That is Chinenye for you. She never fails to entertain. Let me tell you, amongst my brother's wives, she's the best.
Indeed, she is the best. A good woman.
Yes, she is.
Hi.
And I'm sure Amandi enjoyed the visit.
Oh yes, he did though. He did. On our way coming back, he was asking me when next we are going to visit my maternal home. Makani. Hi.
Anyway.
Hi.
My son. I want to appreciate you for everything. For all your efforts in making sure that this royal family lives in peace, love and harmony. Thank you, son.
Thank you, Nne. I see it as my duty as the first son of this royal family to ensure that we live in peace and speak with one voice.
Well done.
Thank you.
You're doing great. Now listen. I know that my co-wife is difficult and nasty. But her children are different. They have a mind of their own.
You're right in there. Before her daughter Adako got married, she stayed with us most of the times.
Yes. She's a good girl. And she sees through her mother's diabolic nature.
That is correct.
Anyway, that's by the way. When you're hungry, you know where to get your food.
Ha! Nne, food kwa? Biko. Akona, Echi, biko.
Are you not running away from food?
I'm running away. Ha! Nah, also. Please don't even go there. Don't go.
Igwe Bella. How do I do? Hey!
This wine is so fresh.
That is
Oh no, I greet you. I greet you to Ichana.
Oh, I don't want your
Lord Mazra.
Oh no.
We greet you too. It is well with you.
It's a...
As you can see, we just finished having a brief meeting with the king. And we are actually on our way home.
Yes.
Okay. I wish I knew you were around. I would have brought something for you to eat.
Lord UMUKABIA the truth is that we had our fill of palm wine from fresh palm wine, from the benevolence and generosity of our king. Thank you. Don't worry, next time you can take care of us extra.
When you get home, greet your families for me.
We will, and you too. Take very good care of your household. And of Igwe Agode Chamber.
I will.
Tell Okorafor that I want to see him before nightfall. He must not fail. If he fails, he knows the consequence. Go. Go. Achalugo. Ha! Yege. Ugonabo. Mazuralo. Apunanwu.
Agune Chemba.
Imaka. Akugo.
Agune Chemba.
Imaka. Ogiri di fenka. Afuwa ya afifo oji wee kwulu. Mazuralo.
Agune Chemba. The greatest king of the entire Mdetege.
That is me.
Dinano.
That is me.
Awatobim.
Hey.
I'll be loyal to you forever.
Hey,
Your beautiful wife.
Oh my God.
Igwe.
Why?
You are the king of this kingdom and the king of my heart.
Hey.
The only one that owns my entire being.
Hey.
The mom.
Oh, Nena Diane. Your words make me happy. You make me happy. You make me happy, Mazuraro. Your words make me want to fly like a bird, like an eagle. Your words make me want to climb the tallest Iroko tree with my bare hands. Okay, you're welcome. Is that something you want me to do for you? It will be done right away.
Not exactly, Igwe. I am here to remind you of the invitation to Umuchima for their New Yam Festival in 3 market days.
I remember. I will go. We shall be there.
Igwe, remember I'm the only one to accompany you to the feast.
Yes, of course. You are the only one. Who else? Unless your son, Amanda, will join us.
He will come along and nobody else.
Nobody else.
It's just you, me, and our son.
Of course, nobody else. Just the three of us.
You know I like going out, all of us. Anyway, Igwe, I made you your favorite onubu soup. Should I serve it now?
Are you asking? Yeah? Anytime you want me to eat, I will eat.
Thank you,
whether I am hungry or not hungry.
Let me go and bring it to Igwe.
Yeah.
Igwe.
Umukabia, umukabia, helele kule, umukabia mnililegi. Umukabia, umukabia, helele kule, umukabia mnililegi. Umukabia, umukabia.
Dimoma, may your days be long. My king, your Lolo is greeting you.
Okach, you know this is something I do not like. Pretense. Yes, you just walked in here now and pretending to be respectful with your greeting, when you know within you that you are rebellious, you are disloyal, you are rebellious, and you are a threat to my throne. Yes, you are a threat to my throne.
Igwe, how am I a rebel and a threat?
There you go. There you go, Okach. So I now have to explain your own actions to you, okay? I should explain to you how you are a rebel and disloyal.
My king, I did not see what I said now. That will make you see me as rebellious and disloyal.
So what do you call what is going on here? Eh? This argument, what do you call it? You're having an argument with me. What do you call that one? Obedience? Or loyalty? When I give orders, you flout my orders. And you say you are not rebellious. You have never respected me as your husband, let alone as Igwe. Never. Yet you say you are not rebellious.
What, Igwe?
Let me finish. Okachi, let me finish. That is what I am talking about. Huh? You should count yourself lucky. You should count yourself lucky to be married to a king like me. The most powerful king in the entire Umuikabia clan. You have no respect for me because you and I are in the same house. Because they say you are the daughter of the so-called most powerful medicine man. And so, I should bow and tremble before you. Before your father died, did he not come here and bowed down to me as the king of the land? Did he not? Did he not? But you, no. You stick your nose in the air. Stick your nose in the air, walking arrogantly around. And they expect me to be the one chasing you and respecting you and bowing down to you. I wake up in the morning, I should look for you. Hey, the daughter of most powerful medicine man. I should be worshiping you. It will never happen. It will not happen. I am your husband. I am your ruler. I am your crown. Whether you like it or not, to catch. What is all this? What is all this?
My king, please, I am truly sorry if any of my attitude made you angry. Honestly, it was never intentional. I'm truly sorry. You're my husband, my king, my ruler. I have never contested anything with you. The only problem here is that whenever we are together, you don't allow me to say anything. How could you judge me without hearing from me? I actually came here for a reason. But as always, you would not let me say it.
Why would I let you say anything, Okachi? What do you want to say when you are stubborn and strong-headed? Which man can survive a strong-headed woman like you? Which man? Okachi, leave me. Leave me alone. I have more important matters of kingdom to think about. Leave me, please.
I am your wife. Your first wife. I am your Lolo.
First wife. First wife. Lolo. Leave me alone. Leave me. Go. Not enjoying your presence at all. Leave me.
To be the first wife is not the problem. The question is, are you loved? Are you respected? To be the queen is not the issue. Are you treated like a queen? Lolo by mouth, servant by practice. You don't deserve to be any queen. When a man chooses a wife by himself, the difference is clear. But when a father or mother chooses a bride for you, the difference is clear. King knows who his heart wants. Osimo Queen. Queen my foot. Queen. Oh, my son.
You look happy. What's going on?
Okachi thinks being the first wife means being first in everything. But the first has become the last.
Yeah, I don't understand what you're saying, please.
She's angry that Nai Igwe has chosen you and I to accompany him to Umuchima for the New Yam Festival. Instead of her and her son. Wicked woman. Are you not also the Igwe's first son?
Of course. A powerful one at that.
Oh, I trust you. Hey. If Igwe decides to make you the successor to the throne, won't you collect it?
Why would I say no to that? In fact, I will be very, very, very happy if that happens.
Now you are talking like the chosen son of the chosen wife. You have to be careful. The world is full of evil and envious people. That is why I gave you that name, Amanda Neze. Because evil people are everywhere. But they cannot fight who the gods have blessed.
See.
That reminds me. Everything we discuss here should be made. Thank you.
Nobody will hear from me. Hey!
I have delivered your message to Iche Udeme.
I hope he is well.
Yes, he's okay. Igwe.
Igwe, I greet you, my father and my king.
Ebuka, there.
Thank you, father.
Sit down. What is it?
Igwe, I have come to remind you
of my marriage plans with my intended bride, Chinelo, the daughter of Onyebueke of Anamma village in our UMUKABIA kingdom. Father, the last time we had a conversation, you promised me that you were going to send a delegate to investigate her and her family before I can proceed with the introduction and marriage rites.
Chukwebuka. Chukwebuka.
Father.
What you just did now is not a reminder. It is an insult. Shut up. You told me something some time ago. You did not even give me time to think about it. Only for you to rush back now to harass me with the same matter. What is it? Okay.
Father, it's been 2 market weeks ago I told you about this.
And so? Didn't your mother tell you that marriage is not something you rush into? Huh? Didn't she? Anyway, how will she? Why would she tell you when all that she does is to tell you things that will ruin your life instead of giving you good advice?
Father, I do not know how my mother got into this conversation.
How would you know? How would you know how your mother got into this conversation when all that you do is to defend her? Defend her and her atrocities. Yes, that's all you do. You're following a woman. How can it be said that my son is following a woman? Following a woman. Instead of following your father, who represents your lineage and your ancestors.
Father, I have always followed you. Everything I have done in this royal house, I told you about them.
You told me about them after you must have concluded with your mother. Yes, you first of all discuss everything with your mother. You arrive at a conclusion. Then you just come here to fulfill all righteousness. Because you people think I am a figurehead. I am not a figurehead. I can never be a figurehead. I am the king. I am the Igwe of UMUKABIA. The most powerful Igwe in the entire Umutekete clan. That is who I am. And that is what I will remain, whether you and your mother like it or not. Ebuka, leave me. Leave me. Stop. Stop. Enough. Leave me. I have more important kingdom matters to think about. Nonsense. You go and conspire with your mother, talk bad about me, then you come back and pretend that you're coming to consult me. We'll see.
Chinelo, hurry up. You know we still have a lot of things to do today.
Mother, I'm very fast. I'm fast already.
You're fast? Upe, you're fast. Chinelo, since Prince Ebuka declared his interest in marrying you, you have changed. You no longer do ordinary house chores.
Nne, that is not true. Every single thing you asked me to do today, I did them all.
Upe, what did you do? You did everything I asked you to do, yet my goats are crying of hunger.
I gave them food. The palm fronds at the backyard.
Which one? Is it not those dry palm fronds you gave the goat? This is what I'm talking about. You now feel too big to go into the bush to get fresh fodder for the goat to eat. That means when you finally become the queen of UMUKABIA, people like us will no longer pass on the road. Oh, yeah, no.
Mother, please stop. Stop it. It is not so, and you know it. The prince has not even come for my introduction yet, and here you are talking about me being the queen.
Chinelo, the prince is coming to marry you. They just need to do some investigations first. That's how the tradition is.
Will they be coming here for the investigation?
When they will come, you won't even know. It is some other people that they will send to come and ask about your character. If you're a thief, if you're dubious, if you have madness in your lineage, if you have a dangerous disease in your blood.
But Nne, what if they say something bad about us?
Chinelo, nobody will say anything bad about us. In your father's lineage, we don't have any questionable character. In my own lineage, we don't have any questionable or madness in our lineage. The only thing I know they can say about your father is that he does not have a big bag of yams, or that he doesn't have big bags of cowries. That's the only thing.
Anyway, my Ebuka does not care about those things. He just loves me.
You're so much in love. You're such a lucky child. Some other kings will only allow their children to marry from other royal or wealthy family. You're lucky. So very soon you're going to become the queen. Hey, please hurry up, please. You know we have so much to do.
Okay, Nne.
Miss I can just see any.
Father. Ebuka, what is it again? Ogini?
Something has been bothering me, and I do not know how to present it to you. Particularly on our last conversation, I haven't slept.
Chukwuebuka, say whatever you want to say and leave me alone. I'm expecting some elders for an important meeting. Say what you want to say and go.
I am your first son and the heir to the throne of UMUKABIA. But you have never treated me as such. You always treat me like a total stranger. There is nothing I have done that pleases you. And you hardly confide in me regarding this throne of UMUKABIA, knowing fully well that I shall ascend on this throne when it is time.
That is all you care for. You and your mother ascending throne. Throne this, throne that. Want to ascend throne. That is all you care for.
No, that is not what I am talking about, Father.
Shut up. You think I don't know what you have in mind? Eh? You want me to die now so that you become a king immediately? No, that is all. That is all you and your mother care about. Your mother is not satisfied with being Lolo. No, she also wants to be king's mother, so that she will be ruling this kingdom from the background, while you will be the figurehead. But let me tell you, Ebuka, okoro erughị eru wara ogodo, ikuku bịa okpuru okoro buru ogodo ya. Nwata bulie na ya elu. Ebuka, nwata bulie na ya elu. Ngwongwo na ngwongwo ayochie ya anya. That is all I have to tell you.
Now, what have I done to deserve this accusation?
Leave me. Leave me alone.
What exactly is going on? Everything is becoming so strange. Is there some secret I do not know about?
You are still there. I said, leave me alone. I am expecting some important visitors. Leave me alone. Leave me before I get really angry with you. Like mother, like son. Throne. That's all you think I care about.
Mbadiwe. Honestly, I'm still in this marriage because of you. But right now, I am fed up. What have I done wrong? I cannot talk with my husband without him shouting me down. My presence irritates him. I've never harmed him in any way. Never thought of it. And gods of our land will bear me witness. If my son goes to him for anything, he will brush him aside like a servant. Why he treats mad children like eggs? I am tired of this humiliation. I am tired. I want to go back to my father's house. And this time, not even you can stop me.
Ukachi, listen to me. The whole scheme is all about denying him the right of becoming the next king, being the first son of the king. Right now, he has become a target. He is their target. And if nothing is done, something may happen to him. If you go with him, people might think he is running away from his right, he's abandoning his right, and run away with his mother. With some inducement, the elders will buy the false narrative. I want you to just hold on. Take it easy, as our custom demands. Once Ebuka gets married, that will afford him the opportunity of becoming a real prince and a king in waiting. Obey? Never mind, I will talk to him.
You will talk to him?
I will talk to him.
That is if he will give you audience.
No, he has to give me audience. He will. Because he knows I'm his uncle. He knows I'm the eldest in the royal family. The only thing I want to tell you now is take things easy, protect your son. A lot of danger. There is a lot of danger around him for now.
I know. I know all Mma's attempts on my son, but she will continue to fail. My son,
No.
it is no longer news that your father, the Igwe, does not care about us. Reasons best known to him.
I know very well, Inna. But I will keep doing my duties as first son and respect him as my father.
That is correct. But there is something you do not know. Mma wants you out of the way for her son. Yes. She wants him to be the Igwe after your father. I know you have a heart of gold. And you do not wish anyone evil. But these people are not like you. Mma has made an attempt on your life 2 times, but failed.
What? Why would she want to eliminate me? And Nne, how did you know about this?
Remember you complained to me how your father and Mma treats you of late?
Yes.
And now Amande has joined them. Yet you're asking me how and why? Come with me. There is something important I want to show you. Let's go.
Are we not there yet? I am tired.
Ebuka, my son. Onye ọbụna ndị iro gbara gburugburu na-eche ndụ ya nche mgbe niile. He who is surrounded by enemies protects himself at all times. Let's go. Come with me. Come with me. Come this way. Now listen. My father, your grandfather, was one of the greatest medicine men of his time in UMUKABIA. He never indulged in any harmful medicine. He just healed people. He was the one that initiated me into the world of herbs. Now I can talk to leaves, herbs, and they will obey me. It is what has been protecting you against the evil machinations of your father and Mma.
No, what is it?
Today, I'm going to open your eyes to see these powerful herbs. Close your eyes. Did you see something?
Yes. The leaves. The trees are different.
Yes. Your initiation is over. But I must warn you. Never use this knowledge and power for any negative purpose. It is dangerous. Do you hear me?
Yes. No. I will keep to your advice.
What is the situation at hand, my son?
No, are you serious?
Of course I am. Now listen. I have done for you what my father did for me. That made me survive all these years. At least now you can differentiate between a leaf from a herb. An ordinary tree from a standing medicine. You can even hear from the spirits of medicine if you so wish. In other places, the throne is being contested after the demise of the king. But in our own case, it is the king that is contesting against the rightful prince. Odiregu, that is is the reality we are into. Your father is a powerful king, and people will believe whatever lies he tells against us. But listen, my son, it is only the dead that remains dumb. We must fight for what is rightfully ours. Let's go.
ON UMUKABIA, helele kuru, ON UMUKABIA, ON UMUKABIA, ON UMUKABIA, ON UMUKABIA,
Mbadiwe, welcome. I hope all is well.
All is well, my king. Thank you. It's just that your son, Ebuka, told me that he made a request of you sending emissaries to his intending wife as custom demands. And I know you as a very busy person, so I am suggesting I should take up the responsibility. Let me do it, come to report to you.
So Ebuka reported me to you. Huh? Ebuka reported me to you. It's okay. I am not surprised. Because he regards you as his true father, not me.
Your Majesty, don't say a thing like that. Don't.
Is it not obvious? Yeah? Every little thing, Ebuka and his mother will run to you for this and that. As if I am a stranger in my own palace. You're telling me don't say that.
Your Majesty, is there anything wrong in a young man soliciting the assistance of an uncle? Or are we not of the same family again?
Mbadiwe, you know the truth, but you're just pretending. You know the truth about this matter, but you're just pretending not to know.
I don't understand what you say. I don't know where you're driving at.
Okay. Since you pretend not to know, let me remind you. Okachi was originally not meant to be my wife. True or false? It was my father who imposed her on me.
It is not an imposition. It is not. She was recommended to you and you accepted her. A very good woman.
Very good woman to you, not to me. Yes.
Then why did you not reject in the first place?
Reject?
Yes, why not say no to it?
How could I say no when you and my father already conspired to force her on me?
Now those you are talking as if I don't know, man. Never mind.
No, say it. But will say it. That Igwe is now a drunk. Alright, Alright. You're even calling me by my name. Nadezie. I'm no longer Igwe to you. Because you're my uncle, therefore, I am now an ordinary citizen. This matter. You see this matter? When the time comes, Mpiti Gekwe on this matter.
Let me ask you, what is your reason behind the hatred you have on Okachi and her son Ebuka? Beautiful souls.
Oh, Ibiano. Ibiagono. This is a question you should have asked all this while, instead of all this rigmarole. Oh, he questioned you. And you know what? Since you have the courage to ask me this question, I will also summon up the courage to answer you.
Igwe.
Oh no.
Buddy, you are here.
No. None. Sure, Demi. You're welcome. Anago, you're welcome. We have cola.
Serve yourself.
That is good.
No. I hope we are safe.
Igwe, we are not all right. By the way, it is good you are here. We passed through your house to alert you about this meeting. But thank the gods, you're already here. Igwe, thank you for the cola note. We have come to inform you on a matter that is very, very urgent.
Odeme, what could be so urgent that I am not aware of it already?
Igwe, Umagu people are already encroaching into our community land at Ofiachara.
What? When did this happen?
It is happening now. It's happening now.
That cannot be. That cannot be. So those imbeciles have taken our silence for weakness? No. No. Oh, no.
Igwe.
Prepare our warriors for battle. I will personally lead them to engage those idiots. I will lead our warriors to disengage, dismantle, and dismember those idiots. Yes. They just reminded me that we have not fought any wars for a long time. Here is the opportunity. Here is the opportunity. They think they can touch the tail of a tiger and go to bed and sleep. No, that will not happen.
Odeme. Oh no. Wherever you? How? Wherever you Odeme?
How? No.
Wherever you kutara zoro bofe?
What is going on? Oh no.
How can you just come in here, spewing rubbish, blah, 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 like a canary bird, to feed our Igwe with false information, Odeme? Why?
What have I said wrongly? Tell me. What have I said wrongly? Tell me.
What have you not said wrongly, Odeme? Okay, first, you should have waited for me to present our king with the actual information, the correct information. Secondly, Odeme, the reports you are offering up that you have did not say that in Umuagu we are already clearing the land, or tilling the land, or even cultivating it. It only said that there are people we are seeing loitering about the environment. Odeme, what is your problem?
Oh no. Are we going to wait for them to till the land before we react? Our king is an action king. Since you have refused to give him that information, I've given him.
Bia. Odeme. Odeme. You should know your position in this court, Odeme. You should know your position in this court. I do not need to remind you that I am Onowu, the traditional prime minister of UMUKABIA. Besides, Odeme, I am not your age mate. We are not age mates, Odeme.
Have this in your head. We are not dragging position or age. I am only trying to...
Listen to me. Keep quiet, Odeme.
Hey.
Odeme, keep quiet. Don't you have respect? How dare you talk in that manner to the Prime Minister of this kingdom? What has come over you?
Umukabia kenemon. Odigo ka ọ ga-adị. Chi Odeme.
Igwe,
Odeme, you must maintain decorum in this palace all the time. I know you are anxious for action, but it must be done properly.
My Igwe, I'm sorry.
Anyway, whether Omuago people are already tilling the land, or preparing to do so, or loitering around the land, my instruction remains. Prepare our warriors for battle. That's my order.
Igwe.
Udeme,
Anabo.
the way and manner you tackle and challenge is not good. You make it look like there's something personal between both of you.
There is nothing personal. He behaves like a weakling. The Onowu is too weak and gentle for the Igwe. Igwe Agune Chemba is a man of action. You cannot challenge him and go home smiling, opening your teeth anyhow. That is why I love my Igwe.
But Ono is there to guide the Igwe with wisdom and tact. Everything is not solved by aggression or fight. Yes.
I know everything is not solved by aggression or fight. Maybe. I love my Igwe style. If you want peace, he will give you peace. You want war, he will give you a great war. That is why he does not want his son Ibuka to become the next Igwe of this great kingdom. Because he's too weak and gentle just like his mother.
What do you mean by that?
So you don't know.
What?
The Igwe does not want Ibuka to become the next Igwe. It favors Amandianese.
That is laughable. Yes. It's laughable. To start with, Ibuka that I know is not a weak man. He is strong, but respectful and tolerant.
Yes.
It has ever happened that the first son will be bypassed and the second crowned. Can't happen.
Okay, make it from Nanya. Until then, I have told you.
Mbadiwe, my answer to your request is no. No. You cannot go and make inquiry about Ebuka's proposed wife when I am still here, alive and very strong. No. I will send who I choose.
Okay, there is no problem about that. It's all right. Now, can you now answer my own question?
And that is?
The reason you hate Ukachi and her son. Beautiful souls.
Mbadiwe, I do not hate Ukachi and her son, but I hate the lies behind them.
What lies are you talking about?
Use your tongue and count your teeth. You're an elder, Mbadiwe. You're an elder.
I still don't understand what you are saying.
One. So you have forgotten, or you're pretending to forget, that Ukachi was the woman you originally wanted to marry. Yes, Ukachi was your lover. She was your lover before my father asked me to marry her. She was your lover before my father asked me to marry her, to fulfill the rights of me becoming Igwe in waiting. I had no maiden as at then, so he asked you to leave her for me. His reason was Ukachi was a strong woman, a wise woman who will be able to control me, to control my excesses. And that is exactly what Ukachi has been doing since he came into this compound, trying to control me. Me, Agune Chemba. Mbano.
Igwe, your wife and I were never lovers. We are not lovers. I met her during the period her father was treating me of a severe stomach pain. And then we became fond of each other. That is all. Nothing more than that.
Mao. So how come Okachi knows and respects you more as her husband more than myself? How come? Every little thing. Hey, Mbadiwe said this. Hey, Mbadiwe said that. Da! Are you talking to a child? Are you talking to a child? Mbadiwe, let me tell you something. I am fully convinced that you are the father of that boy, Ebuka, not me. Yes. I must have married Okachi with your seeds already inside her before Ebuka was born. And now you want me to crown your son, Igwe, in waiting, instead of my own son that I begot by myself. Ta! Omame! Omame!
Nadozie!
Mbadiwe!
Nadozie!
Mbadiwe! Ogini?
How can you harbor such abomination in your heart all these years? How?
And how could you commit such atrocity? Such atrocity that denied me the joy of marriage in my own home. How could you?
Your Majesty, this fire you are stoking, I want to assure you that you will never be able to withstand the flame when time comes.
Is that a threat? No. Is that a threat? Mbadiwe, you are my uncle, and you're also royalty. But if you threaten me, I treat you like a rebel and put you where you belong. And listen to me. If I hear about this discussion anywhere else, I will know that it leaked from you, and there will be consequences.
How can you accuse me falsely and you deny me the opportunity of defending myself? You are a terrible person.
Whatever. He is ready to swear by any oracle. I thought he would be apologizing and kneeling down. He's ready to swear. Hi.
You're here.
Ne,
Amanda.
you wanted to see me?
Sit down. I called you. You have to be getting ready to choose a maiden for marriage.
Married? Ebuka is not married yet.
Is something wrong with you? Have I not warned you to stop discussing Ebuka when I'm discussing your well-being?
I'm sorry, but you took me by surprise.
People do not stay on the queue to get married. My younger brother got married before my elder brother, and our custom does not forbid it. As you can see, Ebuka is not prepared to get married. He's still busy choosing from one maiden to the other. Always listen. Nobody can love you in this whole world like your mother. Let me remind you, you are king in waiting. Ebuka is not your brother, but your rival. Watch out. Anything can happen. Makamagindi Aneze. That is your name. Do you understand?
Ne, I understand you well. I understand.
Now, do you have any maiden in mind?
No, you just told me about it.
Don't worry. I'm looking out for a girl that will love you the way I love Dikeh. Not a girl that will endanger your life the way Ukachi is to Dikeh. If I had not come into this household, Ukachi would have finished Dikeh by now. But the gods of our land will not allow it.
You see? Ne, thank you. You are the best mother in this world.
No one but me.
Nobody.
The chosen
Nobody.
wife. Oh.
Name.
Hey! Adamo! Good to see you. My dear.
I was going to Afachi Market, so I decided to stop by and greet everybody.
Oh, Imeka. And you are looking good. Your husband is treating you well.
Yes, so see that man? He is very hardworking. And he takes good care of me too.
Does he have a choice? You think it's easy to marry Igwe's daughter?
He knew I was coming over to this place, so he gave me this for you.
Yay! Okaga. Wonderful in-law. This is nice.
Yes.
That reminds me. When will I come for Omogo? What are you people still waiting for?
Just be patient. Very soon.
Okay.
And you will be the first to know. You're my mother.
Hey! Ngwano. Have you greeted Igwe?
Yes, so he was the first person I met immediately I entered. But I need to see Ndaokachi before I leave.
What for? Why do you want to see that woman?
Ndaokachi is a good woman and she hasn't done anything wrong to you.
So I'm the bad woman?
I never said so.
Just go where you were going to. Don't annoy me this morning. Jebasia, no. When you get home, greet your husband for me.
God, you
are still so naive. This girl does not understand what family politics is.
My king.
Hello.
There is a matter I have come to discuss with you. The matter is so disturbing that it's sounding a note of danger in the entire land, my king.
Oh no. What could be so disturbing? What is the matter?
Thank you, my king. Igwe, I heard that you are revered king. Igwe Agune-Chamber 1 of UMUKABIA. That you decided to bypass your own first son, Prince Ebuka, and instead crown his younger brother Amandi Aneze king in waiting. My king, the rumor is so strong, so disturbing, because I know that you are the custodian of our people's customs and traditions. I know you know that no Ichie in the entire kingdom will agree to subscribe to such a situation. It is an anomaly. Besides, my king, I know you know that our gods will frown against such a thing. You know that the consequences will of course be very dire and grave. Hearing such a rumor, as your right-hand man, my king, I chose to come to you and find out the veracity or otherwise of the situation.
Oh no. Hold your breath. What you just said now is very strange to me. Very strange. How could I, Agune-Chamber, bypass my first son, my wonderful first son, Ebuka, and crown my second son, Amadi, king in waiting? No. There's no such thing. Whoever told you that, it is not just a fool, but a very wicked person. Very wicked person. Who is he, by the way? Who told you that?
Nobody in particular, my king. Just that the rumors are rife over the entire kingdom.
Oh no, we have to be careful. We have to be careful and we have to be vigilant. From what I can see, some people are trying to destabilize our kingdom with lies and propaganda. And we cannot fall for it. No, we should not.
Hey, Igwe! Agune-Chamber! Dikeh UMUKABIA! Dikeh UMUKABIA Jemono! My mind is at rest now. Hey, asikwa onye ajuju a na-efu ụzọ. Ke mmadụ na-amaghị akọwakwa ori ahụ. Igwe, you have laid this matter to rest by clearing the air.
There is no truth whatsoever in that rumor. It is the handiwork of our detractors and the wicked elements in the kingdom. But when the time comes, I'll put them in their place.
I go to chamber one.
Yeah.
Hey,
you did the right thing, no. There is nothing of such. It's not even possible. No. Without. What about this matter of Okala and his brother? Their case. You did not give me feedback on it.
I am sorry, Your Highness. You know, the issue of that rumor threw me off balance. But that is one of the reasons I actually came to see you, my king. You see, Okala. Okala came to me, pleading that I should help him beg you, the king, to allow him take the issue of his brother and himself back home to resolve it as a family matter. I told him, don't worry, I will tell the king.
That Okala is a foolish man. So he just realized that such matters should be settled in-house.
Yes, the man was busy.
Yes.
Puffing up. Neko. Now he's begging. Okala is now humble, my king.
Don't mind him. He is lucky. If he had continued with the matter here, I would have taught him a lesson.
Igwe got into the room, baby.
There were.
Igwe Odinobi.
Igwe
Igwe Nanu. Igwe Kaibe ya.
Mo. Go get where? I hope there's no problem.
Not exactly, Igwe. I have good news for you. I found a wife for Amande.
Oh, so fast.
Yes, Igwe. There is nothing to wait for. Since Ebuka is not ready to get married, let my son be crowned king in waiting.
That's all right. But my queen, who is the lucky maiden?
She's my friend's daughter from Uhuala. She's a very good girl. Omaka.
I trust your judgment. But my queen, we have to be careful and discreet about this matter. I don't want it to raise suspicions. Already some elders are beginning to ask questions. Even Ono, who came here the other day to ask me about the matter. But I just managed him.
What is their business in your family matter? I think you are being too soft on this Ndichie. You have not shown them your real power.
Not exactly so, my queen. You know, this whole plan was supposed to be a secret between us. But as it is now, for some reason, it is blowing up in the air. And it's making me uncomfortable. As the king, I am supposed to be seen to do things according to the customs and traditions of the land, not otherwise.
What custom? What tradition? You are the king. You are the custodian of the custom and tradition. Your word is the law, Igwe. Ha!
My queen, I want you to calm down on this matter. Calm down. Our people say when an object falls into the river, you do not search for it with your 2 feet. You start with 1 foot.
I don't understand.
I want to put on hold the plan to make Amande king in waiting. That is what I'm trying to say.
Igwe, are you going back on our arrangements?
I just said I want to suspend the plan for the moment I want to think more deeply about it. That is what I've been trying to convey, but you don't seem to understand it. This is supposed to be a secret.
Igwe, my son must be the king in waiting.
Let's just think.
Amande, you are my beloved brother. If there is a problem, let's talk about it.
Ebuka, is this why you called me out here? How am I avoiding you? Are you a masquerade?
Amanda, you know what I am talking about. 3 times I have asked you to accompany me to places, and 3 times you have declined.
Because 3 times I was busy. I was busy like now I'm doing something inside, and you called me to talk about this. Ebuka, what is it? What is it?
Amanda, this is not you. You and I used to be...
We used to be what? You and I used to be what? Ebuka, I will not tolerate this, your bullying and your arrogance. What is this? I am also a prince of this land. Just because you are the first one doesn't mean I'm going to be your houseboy. Leave me alone.
I never said... Amanda. He who came to kill me shall kill himself.
What did you hear this time around?
That the prince, Ebuka, is getting married to Chinelo.
Chinelo. Which Chinelo?
That Nedi, my daughter.
Hey, are you serious?
The news is everywhere, although they have not even done the introduction.
Hey. So Chinelo is going to be a queen in the future. Well, I'm not surprised. Chinelo is a beautiful and well-behaved maiden.
Forget about beauty or behavior. Marriage is by luck. What the Chinelo has that I don't have? Take a good look at me.
Mazraro.
They go there.
Of course, you're very beautiful. Just bend down, let us finish this work before it's too late. It will soon be dark. Continue.
I got you a gift. Specially made for you.
For me?
Yes, this is Inchi. A well-roasted grass cutter.
I love it.
Of course, I know it's your favorite.
Thank you, my prince.
You're welcome. What about Nna?
Oh, she went to the market to sell some cocoyam that we harvested.
Oh, that is good to hear. You and your mother are so hardworking.
Not like we have a choice. My father is no more.
I understand. But Achalugo, do not worry yourself. Everything will be fine. Like I told you before, once my father does the needful, everything will fall in place.
I understand.
And I know some other men will be disturbing you by now for marriage. Because you are such a beautiful and amazing maiden with a wonderful character.
Yes, they are coming. But my mother always tells them, no vacancy. One came the other day and was saying that his father is a great farmer, that I will never be hungry. But trust my mother. My mother told him that her daughter is already engaged to the Prince of UMUKABIA. But then, he started begging my mother to introduce him to the prince so he could ask for assistance from the royal family. Can you imagine that? But trust my mother. My mother picked up a stick. He went also, He ran as fast as his legs could carry him.
Wait a minute. So if he had married you, he would use begging to feed you?
I don't know. Maybe. So funny.
Well, everything shall be fine, like I said before. Thank you so much for standing for me.
You're welcome. Nne, are you back?
No, I'm still there.
Nne, you're welcome.
No. I don't need your greetings. I need you to leave my husband's compound now!
Nne, what is the matter?
Oh. You don't know what the matter is. By the way, what are you doing here?
Nne, in Ajukwa. I came to see the love of my life. My wife to be.
You have come here to do something else, not to see my daughter.
Mother, what is the problem?
Before I unleash my anger on you. And you, Ebuka, are you sure you're truly the Prince of UMUKABIA?
Yes, of course. I am Prince Chukwuebuka, the first son of Igwe Agunechemba of UMUKABIA Kingdom. Now, what is going on?
You're the prince, and you don't know what is happening in your household. What kind of a prince are you? I'm asking you. Your father, Igwe, has since sent some men who came here to tell me in clear language that he doesn't want to see my daughter or anyone from my family to step into the palace.
Nah. I think you're getting this all mixed up. Because as at yesterday, my father told me in clear terms that he has not decided on sending anyone to come to your place. How come you're saying this? Where is this coming from?
That means there's a problem in that palace. Big problem. And you know my advice to you? Go and solve it. Instead of coming to give my daughter false hope and wasting her time.
Let's stop this. I am not giving Chinelo false hope. She is the one I want to marry.
She is the love of my life.
Prince Ebuka, I am respecting you because you're the prince. Else, I would have shown you the other side of me. Silo, leave this place. You think I'm joking with you? I'm not going. Silo. You think I'm joking with you? What is it? What nonsense is it? Take! My daughter doesn't need it. Take it! General, come here. Come here. Come inside.
Mother, I don't understand what just happened.
Chinelo, what did you to understand? Dikeh said he doesn't want to see people like us in his household. 2 useless men came here last Market day and they told me to keep my daughter away from the prince. That the king will not approve a marriage from such a peasant family.
Mother, why didn't you tell me about this?
Chinelo, I didn't want to break your heart. I wanted to do it gradually.
This cannot be happening. Something must be wrong somewhere.
Chinelo, nothing is wrong somewhere. Listen to me. Listen, get me. Apart from the king's nonsense, I have more reasons why you should not marry the prince. Yes, I heard the grandfather was a dangerous medicine man who killed at random. And that his mother inherited the wickedness from her father. You see, there is no way a snake will give birth to a short object. It is in the blood. And that is why after the Igwe's pronouncement, Prince Ebuka still came from behind to deceive you. Maybe he wants to violate and abandon you.
Mother, stop it! My Ebuka can never do anything like that.
Keep quiet.
Ebuka can never do anything like that. I know my Ebuka. He can't do anything like that.
Your Ebuka? Who is your Ebuka? Listen to me, Chinelo. From today, I don't want to hear that name in your mouth again. Ngwa, inside. Get inside.
No.
Why? What have I done wrong? What have I done wrong? Maybe I have been too gentle. I have been too respectful. I have been too tolerant. All of this shall end today. You have gone to blackmail me. This is enough. If I'm not your son, tell me today.
This is so strange. None of you knows where my son is. Even his mother does not know. She has locked herself in there since night and been crying. Also, are you telling me you guards did not see my son leave this compound yesterday?
Igwe, we saw him when he was leaving. But we did not know where he was going. He didn't even ask any of us to join him.
No. My son cannot be missing. My son cannot be missing in my own community. In a community that I reign supreme. It's not possible. Never. Never.
This is why it's wrong for anybody to go out without at least telling a member of this household where he's headed. My son cannot go out without at least telling me.
Yes. My brother is not lying. Igwe, I tell you everywhere I'm going to.
Oh.
So...
Say what you may. My son cannot be missing. It's not possible. Also,
my king,
you and Okute, prepare. You are going in search of my son. You will join Ikoro, who is already doing that. But you, both of you will start from Nedima's house. I have a strong suspicion that something is going on around there. Go to Nedima's house, check, and then from there, proceed to Ohianko area. Search the entire nooks and cranny of UMUKABIA. My son cannot be missing. Hold it. On your way, stop over at Unowo's house. Tell him I want to see him immediately. It is an emergency. Go now.
Nedima,
greetings, guards of our king.
Nedima, the king has sent us to come and check if the prince is here. He went away from the palace since yesterday and we have been looking for him.
How is it my business? Does this place look like a palace?
Please answer the question. We have other places to go and search for him.
His mother came here dead in the night to wake my daughter and I for this same matter. And we told her we've not seen the prince in a long while. How come you people are here again for this same issue? I can see there is no unity in that palace.
That is not your concern, woman. Now be warned. Anyone who is found to be part of the prince's disappearance will be tied upside down at the edge of your forest. Be warned. Let us go. You have to calm your nerves, eh? Calm yourself, eh? You know, young men, maybe Prince Ebuka has gone to sow his wild oats somewhere. He will return. Don't worry.
Oh no. Oh no, I know my son. Oh no. My son Ebuka is not a man who will go out of the line to do anything. That is why I am so worried. Since yesterday.
Hey! He will return. He will return. He will return, my king. He will return. Yes. That is also. And Okute.
Igwe.
Yes.
This is what we found in the bush around Achara Junction. Someone said there was a shooting yesterday, so we decided to check. And then this was what we saw.
Open
Hey!
it! Open it! Hey! This is a royal bead. What is this? This is blooded now. Hey! This is the prince's bag.
Hey! Igwe, what is the meaning of this? That my son was shot? By who?
Hey, you mean you heard there was a shooting? And these belong to the prince? Without this blood, if this belongs to the prince, where is the body? Where is the body now?
Oh no, we followed the train of his blood until we could not see anything. We did not see his body, my king.
So what are you trying to say? His body cannot just disappear like that?
Maybe a hunter shot him and buried him. And some wild animals carried out his body.
Oh, damn, man. Oh, no, but how did you just jump to this conclusion immediately?
Have we not been complaining of some foreign hunters who have invaded our land in recent times? Only them can cause this havoc. They do not even know the terrain. They do not know the terrain. Have you forgotten about that leopard that has been parading in our community last year? Who knows? I have suggested we should form a strong response against those vagabonds who have been hanging around our Amachara forest. But you people did not listen. I suggested it, you thought I was overreacting. That's happened.
Who thought you were overreacting?
You thought I was overreacting.
Well, then, wait. My king, what do we do? That is the question.
Hey! Miriam, the sun has set on me and on my people. But no, organize a more powerful search party to locate my son. My son cannot just disappear like that. No, never.
I will do as you have instructed, my king. Also, come, let us go. Come!
Let's go.
For days, I've been having these bad dreams that woke me up in the middle of the night. I never knew my son was the target. Who killed my son? What did he do to deserve death? Gene Komelo. Gene Komelo. Gene Komelo. I knew they were after my son. Man, I never saw this coming. Afuramoka. I never knew it would be this way. Let me ask you, where are our ancestors? Where are the gods? The Megafano. The Megafano. They deprived me of peace and happiness in my marriage. And now, my son. Ovumulaja Jisugo, my only child. Is him Ebenagwa. Is him Nozugo. Ah! Is there anything I did in my last life that you are trying to revenge in this life? Is there any? Because they said Aboma who reincarnated in me was a good woman. Get in there, Messi. Get in there, Messi. Is it maybe like I seem knows to go? Ah! Obi Abawamu. Obi Abawapum.
It is alright. Leave it for the gods.
Ah! Ay! Okwe medi. Isim dia. Ogezi edi. Ay!
So Ebuka is gone.
It's okay.
It's not okay. It can't be okay. Ebuka is gone. to start going. I will come back and check up on you people.
Biko, what is my concern? You only came to see your preferred mother, not me. She has used her witchcraft to kill her son, and you are joining them to cry.
Nay, how can you be so insensitive? Your fellow woman lost a son, and this is all you can say.
You are still young and naive. Emotion does not take you anywhere in life.
I don't know what has gotten over you and Amande recently. We all used to live in this compound in peace and harmony. What happened?
I thought you said you have where you are going to. Ona. Jewezia nonne. Nonsense sympathizer. What does she know? Tell her to join her mother.
Chinelo, are you done peeling the cocoyam I asked you to peel? If you are never near Birema.
Mother, I'm sorry. I forgot. I'm actually having headache.
Having headache? Why won't you have headache? If you like, shed out tears. I mean, blood. Baby Taubara. Prince Buka is dead and gone. So there's no amount of crying and money that will bring him back to life. Let me advise you. Give chance to other suitors to come into your life. Chinelo.
Mother, I'm trying, but it's not easy for me. I cannot live without my Ebuka.
Oh, it's not easy for you. Kena Dirizi. Chinelo, you're not behaving like my child. You didn't make a woman to. You're not behaving as the child of Abba and wine. Kena Berakwa. Prince Buka hadn't even married you yet before his death. If he had married you before he died, that means you commit suicide. You go on. Because stand up from there and go and do what I asked you to do. Never. Look at me. Nemanya, look at me. If I had behaved the way you're behaving now, when your father left us, Chinelongwa Sam, who would have catered for you? Stand up from there. Go and do what I asked you to do. I'm going to the market now. When I come back and you don't do what I asked you to do, then you answer my question when I come back. Stand up from there. I don't know what is wrong with these children. You are not
Mama na bogio biasa numero kumwemo. Mama na bogi biasa numero kumwemo. Nne na bogi mwao biasa numero kumwemo. Biasa numero kumwemo. Biasa numero kumwemo. Anya mire jugo manya biasa numero kumwemo. They brought put in your garment and bag, stained with blood. How would you begging?
Chinelo! Chinelo! Where are you going to? Kine muari kunushi.
Ne, what are you doing here? I want to.
Where are you going to? You told me you were going to Neka's house. Was that not what you told me? Is this the road to Neka's house? Anamajuk, is this the road? 2 days ago, you were supposed to go to Nkwo Market with me. You claimed that you were sick. Only for me to get to the house and notice that you were not at home the whole day. You better start talking. Today, I decided to set a trap for you. I decided to set this trap for you today. And look at you here. In a miari.
Ne, please, don't stop me. I need to go. I need to go.
Where are you going to? If you don't tell me where you're going to now, you know why they come here. Start talking.
Okay, Ne, I will tell you everything.
Tell me. Start talking.
But Ne, wait. I'm going to tell you everything. But please, let me first get to where I'm going to.
What? What the kids in maybe? I don't know. You better start talking. Come here.
Oh, Billy, be fast. The kind of things that are happening these days are frightening. If they can kill a whole prince, who are we?
Don't just put us inside the bag and walk away.
Hey, may the gods forbid.
I told you that marriage will not work again. How can ordinary Chino get married to a prince? I'm sure she must have used her juju to catch him, and now the juju has done the opposite.
What are you saying again?
I'm saying, after all the noise, that the prince is not married Chinelo.
Oh, Billy, are you listening to yourself? The whole community is bothered that the prince is dead. And all you could think of is Chinelo not marrying the prince.
Everyone has their own interest.
And this is your interest? I never knew you were this unreasonable and jealous.
Story. As if you two are not happy.
Happy about what? Happy about this? Oh, Billy. Now listen to me. From today, I do not want you to ever talk to me. I cannot have such a friend with an evil mind.
Oh no, you're welcome.
Thank you, my king.
Oh no, your king has not been a happy man. I have not been happy, but what has to be done has to be done. For 3 market weeks, my son Ebuka has been missing. Some of his royal apparels were found bloodied, which suggests that he was murdered by some unknown persons. Hi! Oh. We hoped we would have located his body. After all this while, with all the search party, with nothing. We did not find anything. So I invited you here to share my thoughts about the situation. I want to organize his funeral according to our custom and tradition.
Igwamaka, you have spoken well. Sad and painful as this is, we still have to do what we need to do. The prince belonged to all of us. He was greatly loved in this community. It is good we embark on this funeral so he can find rest, so he can journey well to be with our ancestors, lest we leave him to remain stuck in between two worlds, the land of the living and the land of the spirits. He will not be happy with us, my king.
You are correct, or no? You are correct. I am looking at the next Eke market day for the funeral.
That is good, my king. And I will convene a cabinet meeting tomorrow so I can discuss all these details with the others, my king.
Thank you, no. Thank you very much for your support. I appreciate it a lot. It is really a very difficult time for me.
I understand, my king. I understand. It is my responsibility as your right-hand man to stand up for you, even at times like this.
Mama na bogio biasa numero kunwamo. Mama na bogi biasa numero kunwamo. Nne na bogi nwa biasa numero kunwamo. Biasa numero kunwamo. Biasa numero kunwamo.
Guards! Where are they? Where have you been? Guards! Where have you people been? Where were you? An invader came here to kill me. An invader?
We hear some strange noise outside.
You heard some strange
so we went
noise.
to check it.
You heard some strange noise? He tricked you people and he came here to kill me.
What is it?
Son, this criminal came in here to kill me. I came out to ease myself over there and he sneaked in from there.
Is he still alive?
No, but he is unconscious.
But let's kill him and finish him before he wakes up in the morning.
No, don't. You don't kill like that. No, he's a total stranger. We have to establish who he is, who sent him, what is the mission.
What if he wakes up in the morning to finish it off?
I have his sword, I have this, you have that. The guards are here. This is a royal issue. It's a very serious issue. Guards, get a big rope. Tie him up, his limbs, hands and legs, and dump him in the cell. Tomorrow morning, we shall know where he came from, what his mission is, and judgment shall be passed. Go. Son, my people. They say a snake seen by one person easily turns to a huge python. That is why I invited you all to join me to witness this abomination that happened in my compound last night. This criminal you're looking at invaded my compound with a big sword to kill me.
Hey! Hey! You want to... So
he actually went into my room, not knowing that I came out to ease myself.
Hey!
I overpowered him.
Go the chamber!
And we caught him.
Go the chamber! Dikeh UMUKABIA!
There was. No, as you can see, we have dealt with him. But he is stubborn. He has refused to confess. We don't know who he is. We don't know who sent him. And we don't know his mission.
Hey.
Motive. You're welcome.
Igwe, you must talk. You must talk. Young man, who are you? Where did you come from? And what were you doing? What is your mission?
I will not say anything. That's what we're going to do.
Then you shall die. Yes. You shall be taken to the Ajofia forest. You shall be hung upon the Umbu tree until you die or get devoured by wild animals. Idiot!
It doesn't matter how I die. Death is death. I will not say anything. That is the oath I took with the person that sent me. I cannot break it.
I can make him confess.
Okachi, did you say that?
Just give me your permission.
Go ahead. Go ahead. You have my permission.
Wait for me. I'll be right back.
Say anything. You don't know anything.
Wait for me.
Will you shut up? Keep quiet. I will not say.
Iga Hushianya. I will not say anything.
Guards!
I'm Monica Tegu. Chinedu Zeko is the one that sent me to kill the Igwe. That contacted me to kill the Igwe. Chinedu Zeko.
Who is Chinedu Zeko?
He is Prince Amandi's friend.
Hey. Prince Amandi?
He said he wants to become the Igwe since Ebuka has died. He said he wants to become the Igwe. Wait. Did you say my son Prince Amandi Aneze is part of this? Yes, Igwe. They say that I should kill you. That it doesn't look like you will die now or anytime soon. So that I should come and kill you. So that you will become the Igwe by all means. I am the one that shot Ebuka, your son. Hey! Igwe, I'm sorry. Igwe, I'm sorry. This is my first time, Igwe.
Where are we from? Where is Prince Amandi? Where is Amandi?
Woman, where is your son?
I don't know. He was here right now.
Look, that way. He went that way.
Then go get him! Go get him! Go get him! Go!
He is the one that contacted the person that contacted me.
Yes. Put it down. Put it down. Evil son.
It was my mother. It was my mother that convinced me to kill him. It was not me. It wasn't my intention.
Hey! No! When did I ask you to kill Igwe, my husband? When?
We're not the one that said I'll be the next Igwe. That my father will not allow Ebuka to take the throne because he hates his mother. Is that not what you told me? I discovered that after Ebuka died, that the only thing standing in my way is my father to be the next king. And he has enjoyed the throne enough. I thought it was my time.
I said so! So that Igwe will confirm you priest and king in waiting.
We're not the one that told me to get a wife to qualify to be Igwe. Is that not what you told me?
How does that mean killing the king?
Hey!
Oh. The wind has blown and we have all seen the enemies.
So you are the one that pushed your son to kill me. Hey! So that both of you will take over my throne.
Didn't you tell me you were deliberately delaying his marriage so that he will not be crowned prince anytime soon?
Shut up, you evil woman! Shut up! How dare you say such a thing in the public? What did I tell you any of these things?
King, don't worry. We have had it already. Yes, don't worry.
Hey, where is Ebuka? Hey. Hey.
That is your son.
Hey! 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 The gods be praised. The gods be praised. Hey! Hey! Ebuka! Ebuka! You are alive. Ebuka is alive. Hey, have you seen how the gods can do marvelous things?
Sit down.
Hey, bring him to the king. Bring him to the king. Bring him. Hey, bring him. Don't.
Thank you.
Go, please go. Go, Foka. Go. Hey. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. No.
No. Somehow, I found my way to Chinelo's place. She took me and hid me in a secret hut in Okohia forest. There she treated me and nursed me. But I am surprised about what I am seeing. Today, I decided to brave it home.
You're welcome. Elola.
Nah. Help me to thank Chinelo and her mother. Her mother was very angry when Chinelo brought me to her hut. But later, her mother was so angry the very moment she brought me to her hut. But later, she joined in nursing and sustaining me.
You are welcome home, my friends. You are welcome home. UMUKABIA has missed you.
No. Son, you're welcome.
What is going on? Why is my brother on the ground?
This one, Prince Ebuka. This one went and hired a criminal to come and eliminate your father, the king. Just because his greed wants him to become the king in waiting. To become the king of UMUKABIA.
Yes, your brother hired this criminal to kill me so that he will become king. He believed that you were already dead, so he will also eliminate me and take over everything.
Yes.
He conspired with his mother.
This was the man that shot me.
Yeah, he has confessed.
He already confessed. He sent him.
So Amande,
You wanted to eliminate a father and his son just because you want to be a king? The question is, what kind of king would you have become?
Ebuka, it was not my intention. It was my mother. It was my mother. She said I will be the next king. Ebuka, please, please. It's not.
Ma, after all your failed attempts to poison my son, yet you embarked on this one.
What failed attempt?
You think I did not know, right? 2 times you had poisoned my son's food. It seems you've forgotten something. You forgot that I am the daughter of Ajulaka, the great herbalist that fought with 7 evil spirits and came out. Look at you. Look at the shame you brought upon yourself. Whoever that gave you this name, Mazurao, was wrong. Your name should be Ujozuraho.
Ujozuraho? That is what you are.
There is evil around you. Shame on you.
My queen, it's okay. You know, this has become a very serious family issue.
Very serious.
We have to be very wise. Guards, you will have to leave us now. Tell the villagers who are lurking outside there that they should all go home. The king will address them later on. Please, guards, leave us. Hey! Amandia Neze! Fear!
Adak, take my daughter-in-law and the mother, get them in there and take good care of them.
You're welcome. My UMUKABIA is proud of you.
The land of no return.
You got the son.
Oh no, I thank you. I thank you very much. My Lolo, thank you. Mbadiwe, have you seen that I have no hands in what happened to my son? Contrary to some suspicion.
Maybe. But you instigated it. Yes, the woman and her son took you from you. You caused the whole thing. And for your information, stop calling Chukwuebuka your son. He is not your son, he is my son. Yes, he is my son. And he remains my son until we take the oath as agreed.
Mbadiwe, are you still talking about that matter?
I don't understand. What are you people talking about? I'm confused.
No, me too. I am confused. Oh, give me a message.
Father, what is going on here?
Ask Mbadiwe. I don't know what he's talking about.
The reason the king hated you and your son is because he suspected that you and I were lovers. And that I fathered Chukwuebuka.
What? What? How? Mbadiwe, how come you never told me? Why?
I had wanted to keep it to myself, handle it alone. Until recently, a lot of things began to come up.
Igwe, was it not you that told me when we got married that Mbadiwe was best of your uncles? That is the only one you trusted and confided in. When did you turn around to start suspecting him?
My Lolo, please forgive me. I am very sorry. it was not my original idea. It is that evil woman, Mama. She's the one that put it into my head. She was telling me something about that you and Mbadiwe have something going. She repeated it over and over until I started believing it. I'm so ashamed of myself now. Ebuka, my son, I am very sorry for the pain and humiliation that I caused you all this year. You are truly a great son. Yes, a great son worthy to be a king. Please forgive me, please.
Father, inasmuch as I have been through pains, and I am still going through pain, you are my father. I forgive you. I mean, we are humans. We make mistakes.
Thank you, son. But this mistake is too much. It's too much, and I feel so bad. In fact, I feel like dethroning myself now and let you take over immediately.
Hey, Igwe, it has not gotten to that.
That is not necessary, Father. You are still our king, and you will continue to be our king.
Thank you. Thank you, son. Please help me beg your mother. I can't even look her in the face anymore. What I put her through is unimaginable.
Igwe, my joy is that the truth is finally out. My father once told me that as long as you do not wish anybody evil, evil will stay far away from you.
Wise woman.
You're still my king, my lord, and my crown.
My father was correct. You're a strong and wise woman. Oh, please come here.
May the gods of our land be praised.
Mazuraho, whatever you call yourself, you and your vagabond son are hereby banished from this compound and from this community for 7 years. Igwe! If you are seen anywhere around UMUKABIA within this period, you will regret ever knowing me. Guards! Ikoro! You and Okute, take them to the border between UMUKABIA and Umuduru, and they must not look back on the way. You are not worthy to be called my son. You conspired to kill me. Go away.
But please.
As for you,
Igwe, please forgive me. I'm the only son.
As for you, shut up! As for you, Obumma, Gesina Mana. Obwebwe, Gesina Bana. He who kills with the sword shall die by the sword. God, take him back to the cell room until I and my cabinet decide his fate.
If I'm the only son.
UMUKABIA, 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 Okwanu kalia nofe Okenyeri yafo Atachagoda kitano Okwu ife siri n'ọkụ na-eju afọ Oboli bakata fa bisio Kama obo nelelo Umukabia, umukabia, hey, umukabia.